Welcome to Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a Defender 110 in stock with us. This one in particular is a 3-litre diesel D250 finished off in the beautiful Santorini Black. Now, very much a black theme going right round this car because we do have the exterior black pack fitted to the car. Nice things like 3D camera, which we get as standard on Defender. And complementing that black paintwork, and in contrast to that, should I say, is the satin dark grey alloy wheels. Now, they're 20 inches, power folding wing mirrors, keyless entry, privacy glass, and we've even got the black roof rails up top. But if you follow me right round to the rear, signature to Defender, of course, is that spare wheel on the rear. Really good size boot. It is a little bit more utilitarian with that harder wearing boot floor on here. Got lots of storage space in Defender 110. And looking round into the rear, we've got a full ebony interior with no clear signs of wear and tear and plenty of leg space for the rear occupants. Jumping round into the front, we've got electric seat controls, memory functionality, Meridian speakers, a fully digital dashboard with reads 22,295 miles. Heated steering wheel, auto lights and wipers. We've even got the nice touch of the clear view rear view mirror. It's keyless start stop. With it being a HSE, we do have that bigger screen as well, so navigation, phone connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and of course that's where we'll see our full 3D cameras. Now, underneath there, dual zone climate control. We have got cooling seats as well as heated. Of course, with it being Defender, all of our different driving modes on the vehicle, charging points right round the car, storage space between the two front seats, and we've even got a sliding panoramic roof. So again, this is a beautiful example of a Defender 110 finished off in Santorini Black. If you do have any further questions, please give us a call. That's on 01642 644 444. Thank you.